பேச இருக்கிறார்கள். So I introduce Dr. Craig Rice. He is the Montgomery County Council member and is the vice president also. He is the former House of Delegates. He is educated in University of Maryland, College Park. And if you see his website, and he is having that how much development in this area he has done it. So one of them is he has done the Montgomery County Council, Montgomery Village Golf Course, and he is long associated with the Parents Teacher Association to improve our school system in this county, especially in Germantown area, and also the development of libraries. If you see that Gaithersburg and then Germantown, we have new libraries are coming, so he is also instrumental in bringing these changes. And I will ask him to, yeah, please come over.
Good afternoon, everyone, and I just wanted to bring greetings on behalf of the council, but I really want to say thank you to you, each and every one of you, parents and children, because of what you're doing. It is so important. I was having a great conversation sitting up here. The culture and diversity in Montgomery County is rich, but as we integrate, it is also important that we remember and keep true who we are and keep that heritage and culture alive. And that is what helps us to grow as a community together, because we learn the different aspects of all of our cultures and bring that together. And only if you cherish that and nurture it and continue to practice, then we also can learn from that, and that makes our community a better community for it. So I just want to say thank you very much for allowing me to be here with you today. It's a great opportunity for me again to understand another part of the rich and diverseness of the culture here in Montgomery County, and I look forward to encouraging and supporting you in whatever way the council can. So thank you very much.
And the token of appreciation we are giving. A moment of small. Yeah, thank you. And I request you to be there for presentation. Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Craig Rice. We would like him to give the academic excellence for the students. So we are very honored to have you here, sir. And the first of all, we can start. Shall we go ahead?
Nilai 1A, Aditya Mohan. Agneya Tarun. Aparna Sai. Advita Sriram. Jeev Suhas. Kriti. Karthik Rajaram. Karthik Sendil. Rishi. Roshni. Samita. Samyukta. Samyukta. Sanjay. Shruti. Next level 2B. Kavya Suresh. Harikesh. Swati. Yoksha. Maya. Nitila. Sanjit. Shruti Veena. Maya. Nitila. Sanjit. Shruti Veena. Preeti.
ஒரு சின்ன ரிக்வெஸ்ட், எல்லா பேரண்ட்ஸும் அந்த இருக்கையில் அமருங்க ப்ளீஸ். எல்லாரும் அந்த ஸ்டாண்டிங்கில் பின்னாடி நிற்கிறவங்க எல்லாரும் உள்ள வந்து உட்காருங்களேன் ப்ளீஸ். தேங்க்யூ, தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். இந்த அகாடமிக் எக்ஸலன்ஸ் வந்து கிரேட் ஏ இல்லைன்னா கிரேட் பி, சம்டைம்ஸ் சம் கிளாஸஸில் கிரேட் ஏ எடுத்த பசங்க தான் இதில் வராங்க.
Level 2A Advait Sriram. Abhinav Karthikeyan. Srinidhi. Nivita. Mahita. Level 4 Darshini. Lalita. Srivatsan. Varshini. Varun. Neha. Level 5 Level 5 Aditya, Agatya, Aparna, Balasubiksha, Harish, Sabrina. Now it's parents' duty to give a big applause. Level 1A. ஃபோட்டோகிராஃபர் யார் எடுக்கிறாங்க?
எல்லாரும் ஒரு பிக் அப்ளாஸ் கொடுங்க இந்த குழந்தைகளுக்கு. They did a good job. Thank you. Okay, thank you, kids. He is long living Montgomery County resident. Actually, he is my neighbor. You don't believe me. He is living in
All the
Village.
teachers are wanted to have a photograph. All the teachers are wanted to have a photograph. Please come. All the teachers. All the class teachers and supporting teachers. All the class teachers and supporting teachers. Please come.
Supraja, Jambunathan, Ramesh Rangarajan, Jayakumar, Nithya, Kalpana Ramasamy, Aruna Tanigai, Pari and Padmapriya.
மழலை ஆசிரியர்கள் சிவகுமார், சுப்ரஜா மேடைக்கு வரவும். நிலை 1A ஆசிரியர்கள் குரு ஜமுனாதன். நிலை 1B வேணுகோபால் ரமேஷ். நிலை 2A செந்தில் ஜெயக்குமார். நிலை 3 அருணா செந்தில் நித்யா. நிலை 3 கண்ணன் பாரி பத்மபிரியா. நிலை 4 பாபு கணேஷ் கல்பனா ராமசாமி கவிதா. நிலை 5 ஜான்சன் அருணா தங்கவேலு பிரபு. அனைத்து ஆசிரியர்களும் துணை ஆசிரியர்களும் பெயர் விடுபட்டிருந்தால் மன்னிக்கவும். அனைவரும் மேடைக்கு வரவும்.
இவங்களுடைய உதவியின்றி இந்த பள்ளிக்கூடம் இவ்வளவு சிறப்பாக நடைபெற்றிருக்க முடியாது. அவர்களுடைய அந்த செயலை பாராட்டி இப்பொழுது அவர்களுக்கு டீச்சர்ஸ் அப்ரிசியேஷன் அவார்டு. வேணு ப்ளீஸ். Aruna Sendil, please. Sivakumar. Ramesh Rangarajan. Swami Muthu Pari. Johnson. Through Jambunathan. Supraja. Prabhu, put a hand. Prabhu. Kalpana. Aruna Tanigai. Aruna. Guruvayurappan. Kavita. Sendil. Seven C வகுப்பு. பாபு கணேஷ். கண்ணன் Padma Priya, Aruna, Nitya, Jaganathan. Jayakumar,
இந்த பள்ளி பொறுப்பாளராக கடந்த கால 6 வருடமாக இருந்து நமக்கு உதவி புரிந்து கொண்டிருக்கிற எல்லா விதத்திலும் நீங்கள் அழைக்கும் போதெல்லாம் நம்மிடத்திலே வந்து உதவி செய்து இங்கே நின்று கொண்டிருக்கிறவர் நம்ம சேதுராமன் அவருக்கு எல்லார் சார்பில் நாங்கள் அனைவரும் இந்த கிஃப்ட்டை கொடுக்குறோம். தேங்க்யூ.
Give a big round of applause for these teachers. Dedicated service, dedicated service.
I just wanted to briefly say one thing, because all of the teachers that are up here, they really deserve a round of additional applause for the great work that they have done with your kids. You guys are so instrumental to our community, and we all owe you a debt of gratitude, so I thank you very much for all of your hard work and dedication. So thank you to each of you.
Thank you, Greg. Thank you, Greg.
அனைத்து ஆசிரியர்களுக்கும் எங்கள் தன்னாளர் நிறுவனத்தின் சார்பாகவும் நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறோம். எந்த நேரத்திலும் எந்த ஆசிரியர்களிடம் நாங்கள் உதவி கேட்டாலும் தயங்காமல் எங்களுக்காக உதவி செய்த, எங்கள் மாணவர்களுக்காக உதவி செய்த அனைத்து ஆசிரியர் துணை ஆசிரியர்களுக்கும் எங்கள் மனமார்ந்த நன்றிகளையும் வாழ்த்துக்களையும் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறோம். இதே தொடர்ந்து அடுத்த ஆண்டும் பல ஆண்டுகளும் தொடர்ந்து நட வேண்டும் என்று அனைவரும் வேண்டி விரும்பி கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறோம். நன்றி நன்றி.
I would like to thank Mr. Craig Rice. Before going through the thank you, I just wanted to let you know, when we invited him, he was so busy, you know, as a council member, and also he's a vice president for an year with the county. He has lot other engagement, but when I met him, actually on the road in front of my street, you know, he was so smiled, he was so simple. He was very simple to me. He smiled, I will meet you there on May 18th. That's what he said. He said, I will meet you there, May 18th. I took that word, and really we are very honored to have him here, especially our Indian community. You know, you don't know much about Greg Rice, but I read about a lot. He is a very instrumental person, and also, do you know he's a gifted and talented student of Montgomery County. That's him. And also, he's a computer graduate, computer science graduate in University of Maryland. I can't believe it. And he's serving us, you know, for the community, for the Montgomery County. And today I would like to request him, we as a community, because the majority of the county is minorities here. So we understand the vibrant community is a strength for the whole county, and also it's a high-tech and richest county in Maryland. We also have, we are privileged to have the magnet program school system. It's all because of the people who is working for the county. So especially Mr. Greg Rice has lot stake on getting those in a standard level, in the national level. I would like to thank him on behalf of MGA. So please give a big applause to him. Thank you, sir. So I also have one small request. In our ATA or our MTA, we are trying to get a credit system for the Tamil schools. Already we got one for the Fairfax County, and they are recognized Tamil language as one of the language. They can get a credit. So I would request our councilman to consider our request in future to have something like that. So we are very thankful to you. We are with you. We always support you. That's what we do. We are always support you, and at the last, and we can work together. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming in. The cultural program starts after this one. Please enjoy.
Please enjoy by not talking.